Hello, have a good day. Today I am going to teach you how to save a Word document as a PDF document. You know that it is very important because in Word documents we can change the content by editing. But when we save the Word document as a PDF document, it cannot be changed usually. So it is very protective to save the Word document as a PDF document. You think that you send a prepared document to your boss, or you send your application form to your employer as a Word document. Sometimes when he open the document, changes can happen automatically. So to prevent that one, you have to save the you prepared document or your application as a PDF document and then send. Then only you can keep best confidence on your sent document, as it cannot be changed. So let's see how we can save a Word document as a PDF document. Let's think that you created a Word document. Let's say this is a Word document. Let me to open this one. Then you open. Let me type something on this Word document. Let's say man. Let's say we type International Education TV. Then you want to save this document. You know how to save this. I will do it quickly. Save. I select the file destination as desktop, and the file name keep as it is in this tab, International Education TV. Then what we do is we save this. Then it is on your desktop as a Word document. Then when you open this one, you can, not only you but also anyone can change. Let's think that anyone can type here. So it is not protective. And also let's think that this is a huge document, huge Word document. Let's to huge report that you send to your boss. Sometimes when your boss reading automatically, it press the enter key. You know that the content may change. So to prevent that one, we have to follow a safe procedure. The safe procedure is to save the document as a PDF document. Let's see how to save that document as a PDF document. Then you save, if you think that your document is this one, then you open this one. If you want to save this document as a PDF document, what you have to do is file, you have to select save as here. Then you have to select the destination, browse. Then as previous, I select desktop. Then the name, if you want to change the name, you can change, but you can keep as it is displayed in this tab. So I change this one as PDF because I am going to save this document as a PDF. Then what you have to do is, if you want to save this document as a PDF, the only thing you should do is click on this drop down box and select PDF option, and then click save. Then automatically it will open as a PDF document. Let's see our destination, and here there is a PDF document. You can open it. Then International Education TV. You try to change this content. No, you can't do it. Then you can understand the best way of sending your document to your boss or employer, whoever it is. Send that document as a PDF document. So thank you for being with me.